Listen to me. We know that yesterday you just or day before you celebrated a festival. What was that festival? Did you enjoy? Wonderful. So we also have another festival coming up very soon. Yes. Now there is one more festival. Just hold on. Wonderful. There is yet another festival. Yes. Wonderful. But there's one festival whose name you are not giving me. I will give you the name. Yes. Hold on. Hold on. Yes. All right. Wonderful. So I have got wonderful answers. But children, let me tell you that we all are every day learning something. You learn something every day. So we need to celebrate that. So we are going to have a festival of learning. Have you ever heard of it? No. That is why we have our counselor ma'am to tell you what is that festival of learning. Are you eager to know?
Yes, ma'am.
So likewise ma'am is going to tell you what is that festival of learning that we are going to have and what is the preparations that we need to do and how we are going to celebrate that festival. Alright? So be very attentive. We need to be very careful while we are sitting here to listen what all is going on. So I invite Mandeep ma'am and she is going to tell you about this wonderful festival of learning.
I'm so excited to be here today because you see on the slide, celebration of learning. Please sit down. Celebration of learning. How does it sound? It sounds great, right? So we are going to celebrate many things. I want all of you to think about your birthday. Think about your birthday? No, you don't have to tell me anything. Just think about your birthday and the preparations you do. And over a period of time, it may take a week's time, it may take 10 days' time for your preparation to make your day a memorable one. Isn't it great? So we need to understand for every little thing, we prepare ourselves. Right? Okay. Now, we have been good students because we have been listening, we have been participating, and we are doing good job every day. So we will all raise our right hand. We will all raise our right hand and pat ourselves. We are wonderful. We are great. Okay. Okay. Have you ever heard about the word assessment or test? They may sound a little scary. Okay. So that's what we are going to work upon it, right? Why do we have assessments? It's basically whatever fantastic learning we have done, we are going to understand how much has the learning gone in. As simple as it. And then how smart we are. In one particular subject, we may be very good, so we are very smart in that. And in some, we may be needing little practice, right, to come up to that level. And then to help us better. Now you have seen that wonderful assembly today? So much practice and preparation must have gone inside, right? And it made a wonderful assembly. So for every little thing, we need to prepare and practice. Is that clear to everybody? Thumbs up? Great. Now this is just an example. example I'm quoting here. Today is 11th. So suppose you learn question answers today, then on the 14th you can practice the same worksheet. On the 21st, if anywhere you think you need little more practice, you can do it on the 21st. And 28th is
Half yearly exam.
D-Day. We are ready for that, right? Now, if we order pizza or if we order burger, do we eat it at one go? We eat a small bite. So, your preparation is also like that. In one day, you cannot learn everything. So, every day, what are you doing? Doing little things. For example, on Monday, you practice addition, and on Tuesday, you work on subtraction. So in this manner, what are you doing? You are trying to cover all the syllabus and you are getting prepared for it. Now, whenever you are sitting and studying, your body and mind has to work. That is called active revision. Now, say it aloud. There are many children who say it aloud and learn. You can teach somebody or you can write it down if you feel. Right? So these are certain things which you can practice for your exam. Okay. Our brain is like a muscle. It needs, little break time so that it can be little stronger. So, if you practice 25 minutes of good study with 10 minutes of break, what can your brain do? Your brain can regenerate. Your brain can recharge, like your cell phone's charge. In the same manner, your brain charges. And then you are ready to learn more. The best thing is you have to stay positive always. There may be some subjects you have to do a little more practice. When you are doing it, say, I can do it. So everybody will say together with me, I can do it. Great. Okay, now before exam, what you have to do? You have to do quick revision. You have to eat your food properly. You have to pack your bag. All your stationery should be there. It should not happen your eraser is missing or your pencil is missing or your scale is missing, because n number of times when we go on duty we see children, they do not have the required things with them. So please prepare a night prior. Then your uniform also needs to be, yes, you need to take care of your uniform also. You cannot come in your night suit and give your exams, right? I have observed children with long hair just making a ponytail and running in the school. So please, the way you dress up right, the way you are right now, well dressed, you should be doing it during your exams also. It is required. It's a must. And then a good night's sleep. Sleep well, right? Now on the exam day, whenever you have a question paper, take your time. Read. You have the reading time. You do not have to finish it off in a hurry. Read all the questions, write it beautifully, because your presentation matters a lot. If you have too much of scribbling there, too much of erasing there, and your answer sheet gets black, it doesn't give a good picture, right? So whenever you are writing, write it beautifully. And in between, if you feel that you are stuck somewhere in one of the questions or something, leave it, okay, and move ahead. Once your paper is over, come back to that question, understand it again, and then do it. And the most important thing is, once you are done with the paper, please revise that you have done each question. Right? Do not leave any question, because the questions which are left, you will get 0. Right? Attempt all the questions. It may happen that you may not be able to recall. It's okay. You can write the keywords. Something related to that question should be there. At least you score half a mark. Okay? Otherwise you lose out on the marks. So, we are smart, you are capable, and you are ready to shine. All the best. Do well in your assessments.
Should we all thank Mandeep ma'am? How do we want to thank? Let's clap for her. I think she will feel happy if you will take all those tips that she has given to you. So from today itself, start practicing your revisions in small bits. Eat good food, stay hydrated, take a good sleep, and just fight out your exams. So instead of saying fight out, I say celebrate your exams. So what is the festival we are going to have now? What is that? Celebration. The festival of learning. Wonderful. So today everybody will go home and say, from 8th of August, we are going to have a festival of learning in our school. Which is the festival we are going to have?
Festival of learning.
And when we have a festival, we always enjoy, we have a good time, so there's nothing to worry. Is that alright, children? Thank you so much, ma'am.
Charities, attention! Charities, attention! Get ready for the national anthem.